Welcome everyone, you may have forgotten the passcode in your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold. Regardless of the model, let's regain access and remove the passcode. So the first step is you're going to connect your Z Fold to either a Windows computer, Mac computer, iPhone or another Android device. If you connect to the charger, the next step won't work, okay? From here, you're going to press and hold the power key and volume down key for 10 seconds. I'll walk it through, don't worry. And then you're going to release power and volume down, and then you're going to press and hold power and volume up until you are brought into recovery mode. So let's do this together. I recommend you go and fold your Z Fold 4K because it's kind of awkward doing it in this inner screen here. So let's press and hold power and volume down for 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Press and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's release power and volume down. Now we press and hold power and volume up, press and hold, and no need to count this one, just press and hold until you see the Android recovery. Just keep these two held down, keep them held down. Even if you see the Samsung logo, just keep it held down, and we can release when we see this screen. So when we see the screen, we can now release, and we're now brought into Android recovery. So from here, you click and release the volume keys to go up and down in the menu, and click on the power button to select. So we'll click volume down until we see wipe data / factory reset. We'll click on the power button to select. We'll click volume down, and then we see factory data reset. Just click on the power button to select. Now, you will lose all of your data if you do this, so that's just very important to keep in mind. But if you forgot your passcode, this is really the only thing you can do. The factory data reset will remove the old passcode, so you can set your own one as well. If you change your mind for whatever reason, just click on the power button to cancel, then click on reboot system now, and then that will reboot your device without doing the factory reset. So with that being said, thanks for watching, see you guys later, bye bye.